Ito po ay may 68 micronutrients. Yes, how much ang one box? It's 1,000 pesos po for 10 sachets, okay? And then, ito po ay may 17 types of minerals. Meron po itong 16 types of vitamins, 17 types of enzymes. Ito po ay napakaganda para sa ating bone health dahil meron po itong calcium. Ang calcium ng barley ay mas malakas pa po or mas mataas pa, 11 times stronger than the calcium in milk. Okay, so it's that good. Ito po ay maganda rin po dahil anti-cancer po ang barley, okay? Napakataas po ng fiber content niya. So it's very good for colon cleansing. Pwede po ba ang barley sa may goiter? Perfect po ang barley sa may goiter. Okay, and it also gives you a youthful beauty and energy dahil meron po itong vitamin C and meron po itong antioxidants and minerals. Kaya naman po, maganda po. Ito din po is very, very good kasi rich in fiber po siya. So, rini-regulate niya po ang ating bowel movement. Okay? And ito po ay nagre-revitalize ng ating immune system dahil meron po itong iron. Alam niyo po ba na it has 5 times the iron in spinach? Ganyan po kalakas. Meron po itong vitamin C. Ang vitamin C po ni barley ay 7 times stronger than an orange. Barley is best taken 30 minutes on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Bakit in the morning? That way, mamamaximize po yung benefits at makukuha natin lahat ng sustansya. Sa may PCOS, yes. Pwede po sa may PCOS, yes. Pwede po ba like psoriasis? Yes. Pwede po sa may psoriasis, yes.